Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Lexus NX 350-seat memory. First, begin by adjusting your driver's seat, steering wheel, and side mirrors to your ideal driving position. Make sure your vehicle is in park and the ignition is on. You will then locate the SET button, typically found on the driver's side door panel, near the window controls. This initial step is crucial for a personalized driving experience. Now, let's store your first preferred position. With your seat and mirrors adjusted, press and hold the SET button. You should hear a single beep, indicating the system is ready. Immediately after, within about 3 seconds, press and hold the number 1 button. Once you hear a second beep, you can release both buttons. Your first personalized driving position is now saved. To save a second driving position, perhaps for another driver, simply repeat the process. First, adjust the seat, steering wheel, and side mirrors to the new desired settings. Then, press and hold the SET button until you hear that familiar single beep. Within 3 seconds, press and hold the number 2 button. A second beep confirms the successful storage of your second memory position. Recalling your saved positions is incredibly simple. When you enter your Lexus, ensure the vehicle is in park. Then, simply press the number button corresponding to your desired memory setting, such as 1 or 2. The seat, steering wheel, and side mirrors will automatically move to their pre-programmed positions. This feature offers great convenience for multiple drivers or different driving preferences.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.